You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, air conditioning, dual airbags, panoramic sunroof, navigation package, alloy wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.